Okay, what I'm going to start off with is unplugging everything, well, all of the Molex connectors, Molex power connectors. What I'm going to try to do is see if I could just do one line. So I'm going to make one run, not use, I have two Molex runs on this power supply. This is the Thermaltake power supply. I have a video on that, nothing special, just looking at it. So I'm going to set this aside. This is one power line. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Molex and one of the old floppy connectors. The other one, well, let's put that aside for now. And get out the other one. I'll tell you what, first thing I'm going to have to do is on this power supply, on these Molex connectors, it has these little push deals that I guess you push in, helps remove the other Molex connector. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all of these off because, as you can see, maybe it's not gonna, it sticks up there. It's gonna hit the side panel when you put that on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut these off. You know, how many times do you remove these anyway? I'm probably not going to remove them that much. Only on just maybe some build videos or whatever. But yeah, I'm going to cut these off, get them out of the way. Also, I might run out of time, so if I do, I'm going to have a second video on this. Oh, let me just cut all of these off. Wow, that one came right off in one cut. The other option I have is, I've used this power supply on 3 different cases so far, and I really didn't need both runs. So another thing what I was thinking of was go ahead and just cut off the whole line. But you know, why do that when you know, just cut this stuff, these little plastic things. Can I? If it's going to focus, I don't know if it's going to focus on that. Anyway, it's just a little piece of plastic you push on. Helps remove the connector. Great idea, but you know what? They are getting in. Boy, some of these are easy to cut. These are probably dull too. They are old. I use them just about every day. Anyway, so I'm on my last one here of the 5. I probably should. The other one has 4. I probably should have done it on that one and used this one, but oh well. What I'm going to do is probably run them up the side here. Let's see, let me move around. So we're got about 3 minutes left here. What I'm going to do is run them up the side here. Up and around, or wherever they'll fit. Maybe I'll just zigzag them, or who knows. Well, another thing what I'm going to get, I don't know if I have any here. Maybe I'm going to get some double-sided sticky back foam tape and secure that on there. But alright, so what I'm doing now is I have the cable tie mounts. I'm going to use 2 of them for one. Basically loop a zip tie through both of them. Let's go this way. Alright, so the next time what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the zip tie through first. Oops. We'll see how that's just sticking up. That's not going to work. Cut this. Good thing I have about 80 of these. Maybe 70, I don't know how many I have. There's quite a bit that I have here. With cable ties, if you think you're going to use 10, get 20. If you think you're going to use 20, get 30. Or just go out and get a 100 pack. These weren't that much. What my garbage pile is going to be. They're like $1.99, or get them online for cheaper than that. Check the clock here. I have about 50 seconds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video now. I'm going to start up another one. This will be part 1. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. And I'll have more videos on this build and more reviews coming up. So thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe and ask your friends to subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.